Hello viewers! In this video we'll see how to make everyone's all-time favorite sweet, Kaju Katli. This is a very easy and quick recipe to satisfy your anytime sweet cravings. Let's get started and check out the recipe. Start by powdering 1 cup of cashew nuts. Powder a little at a time to get a dry powder and do not run for too long or it will turn into a paste. Set this powdered cashew aside. Next, to a pan, pour in 1/4 cup of water and add in 1/2 cup of sugar. Stir and wait for all the sugar to dissolve. We don't need to take the sugar beyond this stage. Once the sugar dissolves, simmer and add in the prepared cashew powder. Stir and continue to cook on low heat. Once the cashew paste starts to thicken, add in 1 teaspoon of ghee, and mix and continue to cook till the paste thickens well. Test by taking out a small amount with a spoon. And make a ball with it. This is still hot, and when I make a ball, it is holding its shape. At this stage, turn off heat and remove onto a greased butter paper. Flip slightly to help cool faster. Cover with a second layer of butter paper and roll with very little pressure. Try to maintain a squarish shape while rolling and bring to a uniform desired thickness. Now, remove the butter paper on top and square off the edges. And cut into diamonds. Enjoy soft and fudgy Kaju Katli at home. See you in the next one.